Hey everyone! Are you struggling with Outlook right now? Can't get it to start? Or maybe it won't shut down properly? Well, you're not alone. Microsoft just confirmed a major bug, and today I'm breaking down exactly what's going on and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. After installing the latest Windows 11 update, specifically KB5074109, tons of users are reporting that Outlook Classic is acting super weird. Microsoft admits there's a problem, especially if you're using POP email accounts. Now, this might sound confusing because some people say Outlook won't open, while others say it won't close. But guess what? These are actually the same issue. Let me explain what's really happening behind the scenes. When you close Outlook, it looks like it's closed on your screen, right? But here's the catch, the Outlook program is still secretly running in the background. The process called Outlook.exe never actually stops, so when you try to open Outlook again, your computer says, wait, Outlook is already running. And then it either refuses to open or gives you an error message. It's super frustrating, and this only affects Outlook Classic users who have POP or SMTP email accounts set up. One user shared their experience saying, after the update, Outlook opens fine at first, but within 5 to 10 minutes, it freezes completely with that annoying white not responding screen. And this keeps happening over and over. They tried everything, quick repair, online repair, even the PST repair tool, created a brand new Outlook profile, but nothing worked until they removed that problematic update, KB5074109. Now, the good news is Microsoft is investigating this issue. However, they haven't released an official workaround yet, but from what I'm hearing, Microsoft might push out a new Outlook update to fix this POP account problem. And if that doesn't work, we'll probably get an emergency Windows patch to solve it. Alright, so what can you do right now if Outlook is stuck or frozen? Solution number 1, open your task manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Then find Outlook.exe in the list and end that task. But, and this is important, only force close Outlook if you absolutely have to. It's not the safest option. Solution number 2, if Outlook keeps refusing to open even after ending the task, here's my recommendation, either roll back that Windows Update KB5074109, or just wait for Microsoft to release the next Windows or Outlook update with the fix. And that's everything you need to know about this Outlook bug. Have you experienced this issue? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes.